Frozen Ever After? Sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
It's a good thing, because guess what? It's right there. So we're on Frozen right before you get to the end of the ride, which is right through that tunnel right there.
Notice it's very bright in here.
Yes, it's very.
Attention, your ride has been interrupted. Please remain seated and a cast member will be with you momentarily.
I wonder if we're going to get evacuated. I've never been evacuated before.
Cast member's going to come with their waders on and have to push the boat.
Or we're going to get those little booties that they like the little fishing pants, and we have to walk all the way out. That'd be cool. I've never been evacuated on a Disney ride.
Nope.
Let's see what happens.
Stay tuned.
Okay, so it sounds like we might be getting evacuated for real. They said someone will be with us in a moment. Do you want them to push the boat, or do you want to walk out in fishing boots?
How many people have more than fishing boots?
Ooh.
Push the boat.
Push the boat. We're moving. The lights are still on.
I wish they would just down the lights and let us know. Turn off the lights. Turn off the animatronics.
Oh, they're just standing still.
Yeah, they are.
That could have been what broke. Maybe. Yeah, maybe they broke. Now we're stuck in here.
And this is what happens on Frozen Ever.
Please remain seated at all times till a cast member gets out to assist you. Once again, please remain seated. Row 1. Remain seated.
That means you
Remain
guys.
seated.
Okay, so we've made it to the last scene in the ride, and the faces on the animatronics, the projections, are actually still there. They're just not moving. It's kind of cool. This is
Blinking
Olaf.
contest.
This
I
is
think he's
Olaf
going to
and
win.
Teia having a staring contest.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Alright.
So what we're doing right now is we're going to shut down our water. You probably felt the boat sink
Couple times.
a little bit. Well, you're not sinking. You're still on top of that water. We just had to lower it a little bit so we could get you out, okay? We're going to get you guys off one row at a time. Keep in mind you're still in the water, so the boat can move a little bit.
Water shutdown sequence completed. Powering down immediately.
Okay, and then she should say we're powered down. And
We are powered down.
There it is. Okay, so now we can go ahead and start. Is everyone capable of taking a step about a foot over and a foot down? Look, just about this. Yeah, oh, of course. There is a ledge here on the side of the boat that I'm stepping on, and you guys are able to step on it if you need it. Okay. So we'll go ahead and start here in the back with you. Go ahead and take a hand. No problem.
I will-
Just follow my friend Santiago. There's just a tiny bit
I'm
of
going
water.
to reach back and get that.
Alright.
I'm going to fall trying to get...
I know, right?
Might raise more.
Actually, I might put that there. Ooh.
I apologize, my hands are very cold.
You want me to get that bag?
Yeah, if you don't
You want me
mind.
to carry the camera, the bag, or whatever? It's up to you.
Whichever.
Yep, I'm okay with it. You're a tall gentleman, so I trust you. Got it. Okay, here you go. I want that out of my hands. Happy birthday.
Ooh. Cowabunga. I was expecting that water to be a little bit deeper than it was. It looked like it was a big puddle.
Got it? Yep. All right. You want to help your sister? Perfect.
This is cool. I love this. I've never been evacuated before.
We're good to go, Santiago.
Alright, so right over here we're going to have a cast member that's going to show you for the attraction once we're back working. Just come back and visit us, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
Does
you.
it have to
Sorry
be used
for-
today?
It does, yes, sir. Are you planning to stay or?
Oh yeah, we're staying. I just
No, if you just need to get relations in
Thank you. So we just got evacuated, and we were right at the end where the final scene was, and they lowered the water down. And Then we stepped out of the boat one row at a time, and they gave us a fast pass to get back on the ride later. The only problem is the park closes in like an hour.
And it said it has to be used today, but it's 7:52. Park closes at 9.
But he did say if we have any issues that we can go to guest relations. But that was cool. I've never been evacuated before. I'm all excited.
That was fun.
It was so lame. That getting evacuated was the highlight of our day.
No cakes!